Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make blend mode glitch effect on Filmora X. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Again add same video in upper timeline. Double click on this and go compositing. Change compositing to difference. As you can see, our preview window has turned black. But don't worry, let's fix this. Go transform and increase scale size. As you can see, our effect is showing. Let's take a little preview. You can change scale as you like. But for tutorial purpose, I set it at 160%. Okay, let's add animation. Double click again and go animation and then customize. Zoom the timeline. Add your first keyframe in first frame and change opacity to 0%. Then go 5 frames later and change opacity to 80%. Again go 5 frames later and change opacity to 0%. Again go 5 frames later and change opacity to 80%. As you can see, our effect is showing. Again go 5 frames later and change opacity to 0%. Do same process in rest of the video. Let's take preview. Okay, let's add left-right animation. Go second keyframe and change position X to -10. And go fourth keyframe and change position X to 10. Again go 6th keyframe and change position X to -10. And go 8th keyframe and change position X to 10. As you can see, our final effect showing. Do same process in rest of the video. Render frame for a smooth preview. Let's take our final preview. So our effect is done. Let's export our final project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.